We are pleased to show you the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, HID headlights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.